Today, coming to you with the Victorinox nail clippers. Just a short little video on a product I recently purchased. I'm kind of a stickler for quality nail clippers. I really hate cheap ones, so I thought I'd try these out. Let's open them up. Well, first, let you look at the package here. There's the back there. If you want to pause it, I'll roll in some better quality photographs at the end also if you want to read the back packaging. I'll open it here with the, of course, another Victorinox Rally. Get rid of that. So here they are. Nice looking finish quality. Look to be well made. These are, of course, made in Switzerland, being Victorinox. Victorinox, I always pronounce that wrong. They have a limited lifetime warranty against defects in material and workmanship, although normal wear and tear is not covered under their warranty. I'll try them out here. See how they clip. Oh yeah, nice and sharp. Now something I see that's not included with these that a lot of nail clippers have is a file, although it's not a deal breaker. These are very, very compact and I kind of like them. I believe I purchased these, I believe they were under $15. I'll include a link to where I ordered them. I believe I ordered them off Walmart.com, but I think they're available on Amazon also. There's the little cross trademark. These, of course, are made by Victorinox, the original maker of the Swiss Army knife. If you like this video or found information useful, give it a like and maybe a comment. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and would like to see future cutlery and other knife and tool reviews, go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.